All right, good morning, Panthers. It's Monday, March 22nd. We have an asynchronous day today. We're going to start things off together, reading Chapter 5 of Spy School. Please have your book ready to go. Following Chapter 5, I'm going to ask all of you to finish your abolition slide deck. Slides 21 through 25 has one more primary source document to analyze and answer a couple questions about. And then there's, I think, a little video about Harriet Tubman's raid during the Civil War to help free enslaved people in the southern states. So please complete that as part of our study of abolition today. Next, there's a reading practice, SOL-style reading practice called The History of Pizza. So take a look at that. I think there's 8 questions that you have to use the text to answer. Do your best on that. Next up is the Apollo word study. So if you have fallen behind on Apollo word study, today is a great day to get caught up. You want to make sure that you have your Apollo word study and also your sentence practice done so that you're prepared for the quiz this Friday. Next thing, there's a quick little science lesson where you're basically just watching a video analyzing and observing how water freezes and can cause damage to rocks or roads or building structures. So that's going to set us up. If you complete that activity, it'll put you in a good spot for tomorrow's science lesson. That's what we're going to be taking a more in-depth look at tomorrow. The last 2 things on here are things that I really need you to complete today no matter what. The first one is the yearbook Bitmoji. This has to be done today. So over the last few weeks, I've sent out the directions for the Bitmoji. Basically, you're going to want to use your parents' phone, or if you have a cell phone, and download the Bitmoji app. Okay, Bitmoji is spelled B-I-T-M-O-J-I. And you'll make a Bitmoji of yourself. You want to save it someplace, preferably in your Google Drive, or email it to your Google Drive or your fcpsschools.net email address, and save it and drag it into your Google Drive. It should be called your first initial underscore last name underscore Bitmoji underscore last name of teacher. So for example, mine would be called Mr. Talbot underscore Bitmoji. Okay, so just make sure your name is attached to the file. Then you need to go to the folder to save your work. So basically, this link right here, that's in yellow, says you can locate this folder in your Google Drive shared with me. So what you want to do is go to drive.google.com once you have your Bitmoji file. And you want to click on shared with me down here. Okay. And this will take you to files where people, a folder that Miss Shelton, our school technology officer, made so that you can put your Bitmojis in there. So you want to copy 6th grade Bitmoji project. And then type that, and once you click on shared with me, paste it in that drive and hit enter. And it will take you to this folder. Okay? And then you click on the folder, and then you add. You can either drag, you can see some other students have their things in there already. You can either drag yours there, or you can upload it by clicking new, file upload. Okay, and then you just put you find your Bitmoji on your desktop or in your Google Drive, and you make sure it's in that folder. Okay? Ooh, looks like Mustaf's got his Bitmoji in there. Looking good. Oh, look at the cheeseburger. I like that. Way to go, Moose. Looking good. I need a hat like that. All right, so after you do that, there's one more thing. It's a student check-in survey. This is the survey that we do probably like every maybe month and a half, 2 months from FCPS, where they're just going to ask you if your teacher's been giving you the right amount of work, if you're learning things, if you've been in school or at home or concurrent. So it's basically just those follow-up questions to see how distance learning is going and see if you're stressed out about it or if you're okay with the workload and all that. So please be honest in your responses to that. Should take you, I'll even lower that, probably take you about 20 minutes, no longer than that. I do plan on reading aloud The History of Pizza to my reading group today. Diana, Zalma, Omar, Henry, Carlos, and Joel. And then the math group, we're going to do some long division today, so make sure you join me for that. Quick little update on March Madness. If you weren't at our morning meeting, we did not make the finals. Miss Kinsey's class kicked butt last week, 285 puzzles. So we are not in the finals this week. That's the craziness. That's why they call it March Madness. But I'm proud of all you guys that completed puzzles and beat your weekly goals each week. Way to go. Let's have an awesome week, and I hope you guys have a great Monday.